Foundation models like GPT-4 and Claude are powerful, but they're not perfect for your specific use case. What if you could customize them to work exactly how you need? That's where fine-tuning comes in, and it's changing how companies build AI applications. Fine-tuning is the process of taking a pre-trained foundation model and continuing its training on a specialized dataset tailored to your specific task or domain. Instead of starting from scratch, you're building on the model's existing knowledge. Think of it like this: a foundation model is trained on billions of parameters across diverse internet data. But when you fine-tune it with your own data, whether that's medical records, customer service conversations, or technical documentation, you're essentially teaching it to speak your language and understand your specific problems better. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient than training a model from the ground up. The financial benefits are substantial. Foundation models already contain vast amounts of learned knowledge, so you don't need to train from scratch. This means significantly lower computational costs and shorter training times. A fine-tuned model can be ready in days or weeks, not months. For businesses, this translates to faster time to market and reduced infrastructure expenses. You're not paying to relearn basic language patterns or reasoning. You're essentially teaching Oli and Ada. You're essentially teaching vacation scratch. This democratizes AI development, allowing smaller companies and startups to compete with larger enterprises that previously had the resources for custom model development. Out-of-the-box foundation models are generalists. They perform reasonably well across many tasks, but they're not optimized for any one thing. Fine-tuning changes that equation. By training on domain-specific data, your model learns the nuances, terminology, and patterns unique to your industry. A legal fine-tuned model understands contract language better. A medical model interprets clinical notes more accurately. A customer service model responds with company-specific knowledge and tone. Studies show fine-tuned models consistently outperform their base counterparts on specialized benchmarks by 15 to 40%. This performance gap. Fine-tuning gives you control over model behavior. You define what knowledge it learns and how it responds. This is crucial for privacy. Your proprietary data stays within your infrastructure rather than being sent to external API providers. You can embed your company's values, guidelines, and brand voice directly into the model. Financial institutions fine-tune models to understand regulatory requirements. Healthcare providers train models to respect patient privacy protocols. You can also implement safety guardrails specific to your use case. The model becomes truly yours, not a generic tool, but an extension of your organization's expertise and values. Companies are already seeing tangible results. OpenAI's fine-tuning API has enabled enterprises are fine-tuning models for internal documentation retrieval, accelerating employee onboarding. Financial institutions are adapting models for fraud detection. The trend is clear: fine-tuning is no longer experimental. It's becoming standard practice for competitive advantage. As foundation models continue to evolve, fine-tuning will remain essential for organizations wanting to leverage AI effectively in their specific domains. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button for daily AI news and breakthroughs. Drop a like if fine-tuning is something you're planning to explore, and comment below. What domain would you fine-tune a model for? Let's discuss in the comment section.